2018, the Coca-Cola company launched the World Without Waste program, an industry-first goal to collect and recycle the equivalent of every bottle or can it sells globally by 2030. Other targets include making packaging 100% recyclable by 2025 and using at least 50% recycled materials in packaging by 2030. Well, I'm joined now by the General Manager of the Coca-Cola company for Vietnam and Cambodia, GARCIA. Leo, great to have you with us today. Thank you so much for joining us. Now, these are such ambitious goals for such a massive company. Is the program starting to make a difference already in your part of the world?
So, first of all, thanks very much for having me here today. It's a pleasure for us to be talking about sustainability. Sustainability, one of the pillars of the Coca-Cola company. And, Coca-Cola company believes in a circular economy. And the World Without Waste is the platform that we want to make the difference. And as of now, I think as we have all those ambitious targets, as you mentioned, for recycled materials and also for the RPET, we are on track, actually. And every country, including Vietnam and Cambodia in the world, we have big and massive activities to make sure we reach those goals.
And what sort of response are you having from those that you are going to, whether it's government or other corporates, where you're going to for partnerships and expertise on this?
So for example, in Vietnam, we have a big partnership with the Ministry of the Environment, the Monroe, right? We're building workshops with them. We are actually leading the discussion on how to make the circular economy work. We brought a couple months ago the ocean cleanup, which is a big partner that is going around the world, not only in Vietnam and Cambodia, but I was lucky actually to launch the ocean cleanup for the first time in Vietnam. So we need those expertise, to help us out.
What sort of solutions, what sort of circular solutions are unique to what we're saying in this part of the world?
There are three pillars when we talk about World Without Waste, right? The number one is design. And when I say design, is how you design your packaging. So we, for example, eliminated plastic or some of the secondary packaging that we're selling to the customers. That's one big activity that we're doing in Vietnam. The other one is that 100% of our packaging is recyclable. So one example I can bring, last year we changed the green bottle of Sprite to a transparent bottle. So, I mean, those are some of the examples. I think the other one is the collection. We have a big partner in the south that help us collect the waste and bring to the recyclability. We're also building another partner in the north of Vietnam. And the third one, is the partnership. As I mentioned, we cannot do it alone. We need some people that are expert, innovative, and such as the ocean cleanup that can bring the expertise and can help us out to achieve our goals.
And tell us a little bit, Leo, about what the Coca-Cola company is doing when it comes to loop work, which is the refillable, the returnable model.
Oh, that's a very interesting conversation because we also established a goal by 2030 to have 25% of our beverage sold to be through refillables or returnable bottles. That means not only glass, but also PET refillables. So we have the technology and we have many countries in the world that are already setting the refillable PET bottles. And as well, the glass bottles is an expertise and a strength that the Coca-Cola system has. Actually, not only is perceived as a packaging that you don't have waste, right? But also from the consumer standpoint, they claim this is the best Coca-Cola they can drink from. So again, we have ambitious goals there. We are also building up the pipeline for the Southeast Asia countries, including Vietnam and Cambodia. So it's an exciting part of the sustainability business that we are also aiming to reach.
So, Leo, just briefly tell us a bit about the RPET or RPET packaging for our viewers who haven't heard that term before.
So basically, our package is made of PET, right? And when you think about the circular economy, you start by the collection of the waste and bring that collection of the PET that is collected from the garbage, and you clean that up and you bring that to a new resin, a new PET, which that new resin goes and becomes a new bottle. So you're actually not building from the petrol or the resin from the zero, but you're building from already used PET that was collected from the ground. So that helps to complete the total 360 circular economy that we aim to do. So our goals, basically, there are two big goals. One, we want to collect 100% of the bottles that goes in the market, and we want to transform 50% of it on a new bottle. So we have the 50% RPT goals global-wise.
Leo, it's really impressive what the Coca-Cola company is going and is doing, and we really do appreciate you joining us to tell us all about it. Thank you so much for talking to us here on the APAC Network.
Thank you very much. My pleasure. Is always a big opportunity for Coca-Cola to talk about sustainability. As I said, it's part of one of the big pillars of our company. And anytime. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Leo. Leo GARCIA with us there from the Coca-Cola company right here on the APAC Network.